USB-A charger. This is the most common charger people have used for years. It has a rectangular port and is found on older adapters, computers, and power banks. It usually supports basic charging speeds, though newer versions can handle faster output. Even today, many devices still rely on it because of its wide compatibility and simple design. Over time, it became a universal standard in homes and offices. Even as newer ports appear, it continues to exist because of its reliability. USB-C charger. This is the modern standard for charging. The connector is small, oval, and can be plugged in either way, which makes it very convenient. It supports fast charging and can deliver much higher power, even enough for laptops. Because of its speed and flexibility, it is now widely used in smartphones, tablets, and newer electronics. It also supports advanced features like data transfer and video output. This makes it more than just a charger, but a complete connection system. Lightning charger. This charger is used mainly in Apple devices. It has a slim, reversible connector that made it more user-friendly when it was introduced. It supports fast data transfer and efficient charging, especially when paired with newer adapters. Although Apple is slowly moving to USB-C, Lightning remains common in many iPhones and accessories. It was designed to replace the older, larger connectors used before. Its compact design helped make devices thinner and more portable. MagSafe charger. This is a magnetic charging system designed by Apple. Instead of plugging in, it snaps into place using magnets, ensuring proper alignment every time. It allows wireless charging, but with more stability and efficiency compared to regular wireless pads. It is especially useful for quick and convenient charging without dealing with cables. The magnetic connection also reduces wear on ports. This makes it a long-lasting and user-friendly option. Wireless charger. This charger works without any physical connection. Devices are placed on a flat surface where energy transfers through electromagnetic fields. It is slower than wired charging in most cases, but it offers convenience and reduces cable clutter. Many modern phones support this, making it a popular option at desks and bedside tables. It also helps protect charging ports from damage. Over time, its efficiency has improved with better technology. Fast charger. This refers to chargers designed to deliver higher power for quicker charging times. They use special technologies that adjust voltage and current safely. Different brands have their own versions, but the goal is the same: to charge a device in less time without damaging the battery. It has become a key feature in modern smartphones. Many fast chargers can power a phone up to 50% in minutes. This makes them essential for people with busy routines. Power delivery charger. This is a type of fast charger based on USB-C technology. It can automatically adjust power levels depending on the device connected. This means it can safely charge small devices like phones as well as larger ones like laptops. Its flexibility and efficiency have made it a standard in many modern charging systems. It also reduces the need for multiple chargers. One adapter can handle many different devices easily. Car charger. This charger is designed for use inside vehicles. It plugs into the car's power socket and allows devices to charge while driving. Many models now include multiple ports and fast charging support. It is especially useful for long trips where access to wall outlets is limited. Some versions even include wireless charging pads. This adds extra convenience for drivers and passengers. Wall charger. This is the standard charger that plugs directly into an electrical outlet. It converts high-voltage electricity from the wall into a safe level for devices. Over time, wall chargers have become smaller and more powerful, often including multiple ports to charge several devices at once. Newer designs also focus on energy efficiency. This helps reduce power waste during charging. Portable power bank charger. This is a battery pack that stores energy and can charge devices on the go. It is useful when there is no access to electricity, such as during travel or emergencies. Power banks come in different capacities, allowing users to charge their devices multiple times before needing a recharge themselves. Many models now support fast charging as well. This makes them even more practical for daily use. Solar charger. This charger uses sunlight to generate electricity. It usually includes solar panels that convert light into power, which can either directly charge a device or store energy in a battery. It is slower and depends on weather conditions, but it is valuable for outdoor use and situations where electricity is not available. It is commonly used during camping and trekking. It also offers an eco-friendly way to charge devices. GaN charger. This is a newer type of charger that uses gallium nitride instead of traditional silicon. It allows chargers to be smaller while still delivering high power output. Because of this, GaN chargers are compact, efficient, and generate less heat. They are often used for charging laptops, tablets, and smartphones together. This technology is becoming more popular as devices demand faster and more efficient charging.